Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuses to check in case your airbag light is on. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. And before I show you the fuses, the airbag light will be this one right here. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black clips on this side. So I want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 6. Which is a 10 amp red fuse responsible for power to the airbag occupant classification module. Second and third airbag fuse are fuses number 27 and 28, which are located next to each other inside this small yellow housing. Now to access them, you just want to pry this cover off. Just like this, and now you can get access to both of these 10 amp fuses. They are responsible for the airbag control module and the occupant classification module. So altogether you have 3 fuses to check. If all of the fuses are good and your airbag light is still on, then you'll have to connect diagnostic tool to your vehicle to get the codes from the PCM, and that way you'll be able to know what to do next and on which part of the airbag system to focus. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.